Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Year 9 Achievement Test, June 2023. Section B, question 29. The mean age of 8 teachers is 45. The age of one of the teachers is 59. Calculate the mean age of the other 7 teachers. First, we have to understand what's the meaning of mean. Mean means what? Means the average. And the average means what? It means when you add all the data together and then divide them by their count. So this means the sum of ages of these teachers, and it will be divided by the count. So sum by count, like this. Let me write this, and then we will use it with the question. So this means that the mean or the average equals sum divide count. Or this means when you add them all together and divide them by their count. Now, we're going to use this here to solve this problem. So first, the mean age of 8 teachers is 45. So I'm going to write mean. Let me make it blue here. So the mean of 8 teachers, let's put it in bracket, of 8, equals what? Equals the sum, which I don't know, over 8. The sum of 8 teachers, sum of ages of 8 people, divided by the count, which is 8. This, divided by the count, which is 8. Now, I already know that the sum of these 8 people, that's what I need to find out. And this is the mean, which is 45. Now, let me remove this because now you understand the idea of using the mean. This means that the mean, which is 45, equals what? Equals the sum of these ages, sum of ages of 8 people ages, divided by what? Divided by 8. Divided by 8, because I already know that there are 8 people. So I'm going to write it like this. Now, I'm going to take the 8 to the other side by multiplying, because it's divided, to find the sum of ages of these 8 people. So the sum of ages, or the sum of ages of 8 people, equals what? Equals 45 multiplied by 8. 45 multiplied by 8. So the sum of these 8 people equals, now I'm going to multiply 45 by 8, this, and the answer is 360. So now I know that the sum of ages of these 8 teachers is 360. And here I know that one of the teachers' age is 59. Now I subtract this 59 from 360 to make them 7 teachers. So now I'm going to say the sum of 7 teachers will equal 360 minus the 59 they gave me. So the sum of 7 teachers, or sum of ages of 7 teachers, will equal what? Will equal 360 minus 59, which is 301. Now I know that the sum of 7 teachers, or the sum of ages of 7 teachers, is 301. Now to find the mean of these 7 teachers, I just divide the sum of 7 teachers over their count, which is 7. So here, the mean of 7 teachers will equal what? Very good. Will equal the sum of 7 teachers divided by their count, which is 7. This is the rule. Now I'm going to use it to find the mean of these 7 teachers. Focus on the difference between sum of 8 and sum of 7. Sum of 8 means when you add the ages of 8 teachers, and sum of 7 means when you add the ages of 7 teachers. Not this is 8 teachers, this is 7 teachers, okay? Now to find the mean equals, or the mean of 7 teachers, so we don't get confused with the numbers, will equal what? Very good. The sum of 7, which is 301, divided by their count, which is 7. Divided by their count, which is 7. Now we divide 301, divide 7. This will give me the answer for the question. So 301 divide 7 equals 43. 43. 3. So the mean age of these 7 teachers is 43. So focus on this. First thing we did, we wrote the formula of the mean, which is sum over count. The sum of ages for 8 people, I don't know them, but I know there are 8 people. So we divide by 8 to get the mean of these ages. Now we take the 8 here by multiplying, so I know the sum of ages of 8 people, which is 360. Now I subtract 59 from 360 to get the sum of ages of 7 people, and then divide the sum of ages of 7 people over 7 to get the mean of 7 teachers, which is 43. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.